Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will read last three lines of lesson number 3, and today we will learn the sound with fatha. Now read after me. To fatha to, zo fatha zo, ain fatha a, ain fatha wa, fa fatha fa, qaf fatha qa, kaf fatha ka, lam fatha la, mim fatha ma, noon fatha na, waw fatha wa, ha fatha ha, hamza fatha a, ya fatha ya, ya fatha ya. Now repeat. To, zo, a, gha, fa, qa, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, a, ya, ya.